Hey British Columbia, it's Sheldon, Truck Hunter BC. I work at Willowbrook Chrysler, 19611 Langley Bypass in sunny Langley, BC. Sunny today anyways. I'm here with the 2021 Toyota Sienna LE Hybrid. Beautiful vehicle, just got it in last week. There's just roughly around 31,000 kilometers on it, and you can enjoy about 1,040 kilometers in combined range between the hybrid and gas extender engines on it. It does have your traction control, automatic headlights. It does have an application where you can upgrade to navigation. You put it in your EV mode. You also have regenerative braking, of course. You do have the power windows for the rear slider doors as well. Lots of room in the back. Does have the all-weather mats as well. Then you do have your third row here. Nice layout for the dash. Beautiful vehicle, local vehicle. No accidents. Really nicely taken care of. Give me a call, British Columbia, Sheldon 604-362-2922. We take trades, financing on site. We can get you pre-approved by phone.